1 Minute Czech Lesson 5.
Welcome to 1 Minute Czech from Coffee Break Languages.
We are here to teach you some Czech 1 minute at a time. We're sticking with the language topic in this lesson.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Do you remember what this means?
Promiň, ale nerozumím.
It means I'm sorry, but I don't understand. What about this phrase?
Mluvím trochu česky.
This means that you speak a little Czech, and hopefully you're beginning to feel more confident about your Czech now. Today we're going to learn how to say I'm learning Czech. You would say,
Učím se česky.
now that sounds perhaps a little difficult. Jitka, could you repeat the phrase more slowly, please?
Učím se česky.
Try it one more time.
Učím se česky.
If you were to say this to someone, you could add in this phrase.
Je to docela těžké.
This means it's quite difficult or it's a little difficult. Try saying it after Jitka.
Je to docela těžké.
Let's split this up word by word.
Je to docela těžké.
And once again all together.
Je to docela těžké.
Now try to put both phrases together and Jitka will say this slowly so that you can hear the whole phrase.
Učím se česky, je to docela těžké.
Listen again.
Učím se česky, je to docela těžké.
One more time.
Učím se česky, je to docela těžké. And that's the end of this lesson.
Hopefully you're not finding Czech too difficult. Most of all, we hope that you're finding your experience learning Czech with this podcast enjoyable. In the meantime, thanks for listening and come back next time to learn more Czech with Coffee Break Languages.
Děkuji a nashledanou.
You have been listening to a production of the Coffee Break Academy for the Radiolingua Network. Copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. Recording copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. All rights reserved.